Hello everyone, today we're going to take a look at this beautiful 2018 Toyota CHR. This one comes with around 80,000 miles. I believe 81 is going to be the exact number. We're going to take a look at it when we get inside. It comes with black exterior, gray cloth interior, beautiful from outside, beautiful on the inside. If you go to our website at azcars.us, you should be able to find the Carfax report on it, and you will see that this vehicle has been perfectly maintained. Even Carfax highlights that this vehicle has regular maintenance history with regular oil changes and the whole 9 yards on it. Okay, and as usual, let's start working our way to the interior of the vehicle, starting from the outside and starting from the issues that we see on the paint, possible issues. So, and right off the bat, I can tell you that the vehicle has been parked in an area with a lot of trees, because I can see a lot of scratches on the paint, and I see the tree sap. Okay, this is a tree sap mark, but it hasn't worked its way into the paint, so that can be buffed out. Again, these are bug marks. Yeah, these can be taken out. Other than that, I don't see much of chips or anything that has worked its way into the paint. Beautiful rims, all matching tires with great trim on it. I cannot call them new because we have not put them on, but they look new to me. 18-inch rims. Okay. And on the side view mirror, I see scratch marks from probably tree branches. There is a scuff mark here, but this can be taken out. Other than that, the rear door is pretty solid. This is a scuff mark. This can be buffed out. Okay, but on the rear hand side of the vehicle, it comes with a backup camera. We'll test it when we get into the car. That helps a lot, but I still see some scratches. But this is on the plastic part of the paint, so that's not a problem. Nothing to worry about. Okay, working our way to the passenger side. So one thing I also need to mention, the spoiler that you have here, this is going to be plastic, and I believe off factory this comes with vinyl cover. And because of the Houston heat and Houston sun and humidity, this vinyl cover starts coming off. This is a common issue with all the CHRs, especially the black ones. On the side, I don't see any issues, except for some, again, scratches from trees. This car has been parked in a place with a lot of bushes. These are not paint issues, these are buffable. These are just small things, but not chips. Again, scratch marks on this rear view mirror as well, and some buffable scratch marks on the front right fender. So besides these small imperfections, because of the natural causes, I don't see any issues whatsoever on the exterior of the vehicle. No damages, clean Carfax history. And let's turn on the vehicle, check the engine, and then we work our way from there. So the car comes with a flip key. Okay, turning it on. Starts right away. No lights except for blinking seatbelt, and that's because I don't have my seatbelt on. Exact odometer 81,383. We have test driven this vehicle. It drives like new. So let's check out the engine. Pop up the hood. So this comes with 2-liter engine, no turbo or anything, standard 2 liters. Gives great power. And let's listen. No leaks, no issues. The AC is on. It blows ice cold. Let me double check. That will help me when I get back into the car. Yeah, it does. It works as fine. And as usual, let's test our windows and everything that we have. Okay, starting from right front, right rear, left rear, and left front. And by the way, these are all automatic. So usually they come front automatic, then rears not so automatic. The interior is cloth with great stitch marks here. So this is a nice design. Gray cloth, clean. No issues whatsoever. I don't see any signs of wear or tear here. This is pretty solid. Low mileage vehicle, well maintained, so that tells you a lot. Get them onto the rear left side. Again, fully automatic. Okay, the cloth is pretty clean. This is your child seat anchors. Okay, getting onto the. Okay, pretty solid. Feels good to the touch. You have your floor mats here. I think we only have the driver's side floor mat, but we washed and took out the other floor mats. So this one is to cover the storage compartment. So you should be able to put this on here and hook this one up right here. Okay, the same applies to the other side. So let's try. This is a little bit uncomfortable with a single hand operation. There we go. So if plugged in as such, then you will get your rear cover as well. Okay, to protect your belongings from sun or being seen from outside. Okay, moving on to the passenger side. Okay, this is some mark. This is taken away, but here we go. Window operation perfectly fine. I don't see no issues whatsoever. Okay, except for some leaves flying around. Pretty solid. And the passenger side, again, operation is on. Cloth interior, again, no signs of wear or tear. Pretty solid, and window works just fine. Okay, so now let's jump into the car. Let's talk about some of the features that it comes with. And by the way, before I jump in, I just noticed I need to share this with you as well. You see these protective covers on the doors. This is also a great sign that whoever owned the vehicle, and these come from the manufacturer, by the way, whoever owned the vehicle, they did not try to save some money on those good features to protect the car paint and stuff. Automatic headlights, dashboard dim controls, and access to the fuel cap. Okay, so in terms of the vehicle itself, this part is leather. This piece is plastic, gives it a good solid look, youngish, I would say. Okay, and the dash itself is pretty nice plastic. I'm sorry, pretty nice leather, and except for the front part that's plastic. So this leather is gonna help you avoid the sun reflections. All right, so on the wheel itself, we have on the left hand side we have phone controls and the sound controls. On the right hand side we have cruise controls, and the vehicle comes with a collision avoidance system and also the lane control system. Both work. Don't test the collision avoidance, but I can tell you that the lane control system works just fine, and you have cruise controls from here as well. Okay, automatic headlights and your windshield wiper controls. We took a look at the dash. It is all clean. The MPG is not going to be true because the vehicles are parked and they're not driven too often, but usually you should be able to get around like 30 to 35, 40 MPG on the vehicle depending on your driving style. Rear view mirror is auto dim. On the ceiling itself you have these nice touches to it, nice design patterns coming. Okay, and before we move down to the center entertainment system, we have the rear view camera on the mirror right here. Okay, it shows the distances and all that, but the camera views in here. So this is coming from the factory design. So in the center console you have your standard audios, and you can get connected to USB and aux, plus you can connect your phone and control your audio settings from there. It comes with I don't know if it was blowing to the speakers and if you guys were able to hear me or not, but AC blows ice cold. It comes with automatic climate controls. It also has an eco mode, so this kind of takes down the how much power it needs from AC a notch. Sync or non-sync option. So if you do sync, both sides will sync to each other. If you do unsync, you can have different controls. Your USB input here and aux inputs are here. Okay, two cup holders, two big cup holders, and we have the transmission shift right here. Plus, this is a e-brake. So usually when we put try to put our vehicle to drive, and then when we put it back to park, it automatically engages the e-brake, and the park comes on there. That's to save the transmission and the car from rolling. Okay, but you can still engage it manually or disengage it manually. Pressing it down will disengage it, pulling it up will engage it. Okay, and you'll hear and you have to press the brake with your feet before you disengage it. Okay, now let's check our okay, yeah, here we go. That's a button press there. This is our glove compartment. The books originals are all here. Okay, putting them back in, and we got our center console right here. Okay. Overall, very clean, very nice vehicle. Great for daily driver or with a stylish drive. Great option for back to school. Low miles. This is a Toyota. This comes with Toyota reliability. Definitely come check it out. Right now it is one of the best deals in Houston area, within 100 miles of us. Come check it out, take it for a test drive, and we'll be happy to have you here with us. Thank you for watching.